Welcome viewers, Probrickie, Dr. JWAU, financial survival to financial stewardship, the emergency fund that changes everything. The car makes a noise it wasn't making yesterday, and the mechanic calls $2,000. Nothing catastrophic's happened, nobody's lost their job, the house hasn't burned down, but suddenly the household finances are in crisis. The credit card comes out, a bill gets postponed, savings disappear, another payment begins, another repayment starts. And something that should have been an inconvenience becomes months of financial pressure. This is how many financial emergencies actually begin. Not because the expense was enormous, because there was no space between the expense and the debt. Financial stability is not created by eliminating every unexpected expense, viewers. That's impossible. Cars break, appliances fail, dental bills arrive, builders don't pay, work slows down, you underquote, home needs repairs, life refuses to follow a budget, jobs are put back. The goal is not to prevent unexpected expenses. The goal is to stop expected unpredictability from becoming financial catastrophe. That's what an emergency fund does. Many households operate with almost no financial margin. So do traders. Every dollar already has somewhere to go. Mortgage, rent, food, wages, fuel, utilities, debt, insurance, school expenses, work cover, eye care, super, long service. Then something unexpected happens. Without reserves, there's only a few choices. Viewers, there's only a few choices. Borrow, use credit, delay another bill, or sacrifice something else. The emergency creates another financial obligation, and the business, the household, becomes even more vulnerable to the next one. What the emergency fund really buys, this is what it's for. An emergency fund appears to be money sitting in an account, but what it actually purchases is time. Time to make decisions, time to recover, time to solve problems without panic. It creates distance between an unexpected event and a desperate financial decision. That distance is extraordinarily valuable. Viewers, that distance is extraordinarily valuable. Because when people are financially frightened, they often make expensive decisions simply because they need an immediate solution. So you've got to build the buffer, the financial buffer. The first target does not need to be enormous. Start with a buffer capable of absorbing ordinary disruptions. Now this goes for you young fellas as well. Then build progressively towards stronger reserves appropriate to your circumstances. The important principle is separation. Emergency money is not holiday money. It is not investment money. It is not money waiting for the next sale. It exists for genuine financial disruption. Building it may feel slow, it may feel unvaluable, it may even feel tempting to spend. But all these temptations have to be resisted because the unpredictable is predictable. And every dollar added to this fund creates another small layer between your business, your household, and financial captivity. Financial stewardship means recognizing that not every dollar should be consumed today. Some money must stand guard over tomorrow. That changes the purpose of saving. Saving is no longer simply accumulating money. It becomes protection. I'm going to say that again. Saving is no longer about accumulating money. It's about protection, resilience, preparation, and you guys, eventually peace. You cannot protect the next financial emergency. You can't predict it. But what you can decide, viewers, followers, subscribers, you can decide whether it immediately becomes the next financial debt. And listen to this very carefully, because an emergency fund does not stop life from going wrong. It stops every unpredicted problem from becoming a financial crisis. I'm going to say that again. Viewers, tradies, this is for you. Listen to me. An emergency fund does not stop life from going wrong. It stops every unpredicted problem from becoming a financial crisis. I'm Probrickie. Follow the page. There's more of this coming for you over the next, throughout to the end of the year. You keep well, and bye for now.